In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table with alternating colors in Google Docs. It's a handy trick to improve the visual appeal and readability of your documents, especially if you're dealing with lots of data. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you regularly use. Once that's up and running, head over to google.com. This is where everything begins, right at the home page of the world's most popular search engine. Now that you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to sign into your Google account. Take a look for the sign in button. It's usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click it. When prompted, type in your email address and hit next. It's important to ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Once you've completed that, enter your password and click Next again. Now that you're signed in, find the small grid, sometimes referred to as the Google Apps icon, in the upper right-hand corner. It's usually a square made up of smaller dots. Click this grid, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Google Docs. This will open another browser tab and bring you directly to your Google Docs homepage. You'll want to open an existing document or create a new one, whichever suits your needs today. Once you're in your document, we're ready to insert our table. Look towards the top of your screen and click on Insert. From there, hover over the table option. You'll see a grid pop up that lets you choose how many rows and columns you want your table to have. Drag your cursor over this grid to make your selection, and then click to insert the table into your document. You should now see your table in the document. It's time to apply those alternating colors that make it so visually striking. Click anywhere inside your table to select it. Then again, navigate to the top of the page and select Table from the menu bars. Next, click on Table Properties. A side panel will open. Search there for the Alternating Colors option. To customize the alternating colors, click on Color. You'll find options to choose from preset styles, or if you're feeling creative, you can set your own colors. You have three elements to play with here: header, which affects the top row; color 1, which affects all odd rows; and color 2, which will fill in the even rows. And there you have it, a beautiful, easy to read table with alternating colors in Google Docs, crafted with just a few clicks. Thanks for following along, and happy documenting.